torch here, Flux, our high heat welding choice of the family of 4. This glide patch and what it allows on hot material is second to none. Longer cuff in the torch welding series. It is FR lined, DuPont Kevlar stitched, rollover fingertip that the entire welding torch series allows, patented to this brand only, and what this will allow for abrasion, again, second to none. There is no thread at the end of the fingertip. For performance, again, is second to none. The FR liner is completely through the glove, from your fingertip to the end of the glove itself. A nice feature here too, this raised area right here allows a 5mm barrier of felt up against your knuckles that will allow, again, radiant heat capability that the rest don't offer in this area. Again, high heat welding, we call this Flux the family of 4 torch welding series.